Farcaster is a protocol for building decentralized social apps. Hubble is an implementation of this protocol. In this demo, we'll show you how to set up Hubble on your home cloud with just a click on Terminus. By the end of the video, you'll have a private instance of Farcaster on your machine ready to contribute to the decentralized social network. Let's get started. Firstly, launch Terminus in your browser and install Hubble from the market. That's basically it. Hubble automatically starts fetching Farcaster instance to your local. The sync may take some time. We can use Control Hub, a system monitoring app, to view the sync status. In the container log, the initial progress bar indicates sync in progress. Detailed logs will show when sync is complete. Now, let's configure the Hubble Dashboard to monitor the local Farcaster instance. Adding the data source. Importing the default Grafana dashboard from Hubble. Done. Now you can view the status of the local Farcaster instance in real time. And that's it for the demo. You've successfully set up and run Hubble on your home cloud using Terminus.